Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e and let me show you how to enter here the test mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's use the secret code *#0*#. As you can see, the test menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options and you can test here a few hardware features, for example the display, the red color, green, blue. You may test the receiver, vibration, speaker, both speakers, the right one and the left one, and other stuff such as the sub key, the loop back, the camera, and a lot of more. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key, and basically that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.